Once upon a time, three little pigs, Pip, Poppy, and Percy, set off to build their very own homes in the big, busy city. Pip built her house out of cardboard boxes super fast, super easy. She posted it online and got 1,000 likes. But it was very, very wobbly. Poppy built her house from recycled wood and bottles. Very eco-friendly, but the walls, a little bit wobbly too. Percy took his time. Brick by brick, he built a strong, smart home, even a video doorbell. Percy was very, very careful. Then came the big bad wolf with a super drone, WHOOSH. Pip's house flew to pieces, WHOOSH, Poppy's too. The pigs ran as fast as their trotters could carry them to Percy's door. The wolf huffed and he puffed, but Percy's smart house didn't budge. Beep! Wolf detected. SPLOSH, the sprinklers got him good. The wolf ran away and the three little pigs, they lived and snacked happily ever after.